Could you tell us more about customer service and predictive issue resolution?
Absolutely. So an organization around long enough is going and have enough clients is going to have people call them, right? Generally, these people, whether they're your suppliers or they're just end users, like a regular consumer, will call, and they often don't call on their best day. They're calling with a gripe of some sort. I need help. Generally, it's just like, I'm at a loss. Your company isn't doing the thing that I'm expecting it to. What's up? So in those instances, you want to make sure that you are able to serve them the best way possible. So customer service obviously makes a lot of sense, and having large call centers can be very helpful. We've all been in calls where the person on the other end isn't pleasant or something's happening. There's ways to impact those people and help them be better customer service reps. That's often through scripting. And imagine a world where you're able to understand the entire ecosystem of your company and its product that is occurring in that moment, so that you can easily and poignantly get to what the issue might be before I even know it, me being the end user. So imagine you're a telco, and basically all of your network talks to you in monitoring and logs. So you're able to understand whether or not a certain node somewhere, a radio antenna, is down. If you understand that there's an area of the city where there's reduced service, you already know that if people are calling from those areas, you can be immediately prompted and apologetic about possible network disruptions that are happening to the people that are calling from those areas, because you know, right? That's a very simple example. But beyond that, you could get to a place where you also do that with either conversational AI like chatbots or IVRs. So imagine removing people from the loop altogether and having a pretty intelligent bot that is able to answer all of these questions in many languages and does this 24 hours a day. Again, that's where a system such as our Apogee with our chatbot Mensa shines really well. Rather than you as the buyer of Mensa, which is our chatbot, having to input all the possible ways that you're going to have the conversation with it, you basically feed it a lot of information about your product. Imagine giving a new hire a lot of your reading about the product management, your FAQs, things like that. We do that same thing with Mensa, and it creates a brain for itself, and it can answer just about any question about your product, about your service, and about what's going on.
Wow.
Automatically, without you having to basically seed it with a ton of, when this says hi, you say hello back. Those things are kind of 4 or 5 years ago, and you want to have one where the brain sort of ingests, for lack of a better term, it's either your wiki or your FAQs, and can answer everything back, and then can also answer that in many languages. And that's what we've built is something like that for customer service.